Today I am going to work on domain restrictions for rational expressions or rational equations. What we are concerned with in a domain is that we need to make sure that all of the different values for x work in a given problem. Domain restrictions happen when you have some sort of equation or expression, depending on the situation, where the denominator cannot be equal to 0. If I have a polynomial, then something along the lines of x squared plus 2x plus 1, any number that I plug in for x, positive or negative, is going to give me some value for y. This is okay. We would say that this is all real numbers. Domain restrictions occur when there are values for the function that do not work. When we are testing domain restrictions, what we're looking for is the denominator to not be 0. When the denominator is 0, we get division by 0, and division by 0 doesn't occur. What I look for then is what can happen in the denominator, what values in this denominator are going to make the denominator 0. What I can do is I can determine by setting each of the denominators equal to 0 and solving. In the first equation, if I plug in -3 plus 3 is 0, that's going to cause an error. In the second denominator, when x is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. That causes an issue. And for the last equation, I undo a square by square rooting, and I get x equals positive or -3. 3 squared is 9, and -3 squared is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So my domain is everything except those values that I just found. So I would say x such that x cannot be -3 or 3. Everything else works. Hope that helped.